In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Trickster voice to speech feature on TikTok 2023. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So once you open your TikTok app, just tap on the plus sign on the bottom. Now to make a video, just tap the story at the bottom and then start recording video. So once you're done, just tap the add sound at the top and then tap the volume and then make it 0 and done. So once done, go to adjust clip on the upper right. So in here, you'll be needing to put your text first. So in here, I just type whatever message I want. So once you're happy with it, just tap the done button on the upper right and then there's an option text to speech at the bottom. Just go ahead and press that one and then just play the video and it will start talking. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.